Welcome back to Willis Talk episode. We are dealing with A+. No, we're not. We're actually dealing with a Ford Model A 1930 with lightning. Lightning McQueen thought he was something. Well, this has lightning all over it. Lightning fast. And it is beautiful inside with speakers under the seat. Check this close paint job out right here where you can see it more. How it sparkles. It's not that sparkling. It's a different style how they've done it. Takes a lot of time and a lot of skill to just do painting like this.
You like this one?
Everyone enjoy this and many more episodes here on Willis Channel.